Hello, my wonderful people all over the world. Let's solve this question together on square root. This question says find the square root of this number using prime factorization method. We're going to solve it together. Solution. Using prime factorization method, we are going to use long division to find it. Now, we're going to use long division for it. So we do it like this. Write the number 5, 8, 3, 2. Since the number that ends it is an even number, so 2 will go there. 2 in 2, 2 in 4 will give us 2, remainder 1. 2 in 18, 9. 2 in 3 will give us 1. 2 in 12, the remaining 1, we put it here, 12, that will be 6. So since it's still even number, 2 will go. 2 here 1. 2 in 9 will give us 4, which is 8, remainder 1. 2 in 11 will give us 5, which is 10. You carry 1 to here. 2 in 16. 2 in 16 will give us 8. Now, 2 will still go. So 2 here, 2 cannot go in 1, and we cannot write 0. It's meaningless to write 0 at the beginning of the letter, number. So 2 in 14 will give us 7. 2 in 4 will give us 2, remainder 1. 2 in 18, 9. Now, 2 can no longer go. This is in the multiplication table 3. So we are going to use 3 to divide it. 3 in 7 will give us 2, remainder 1. 3 in 12 will give us 4. 3 in 9 will give us 3. So it's still 3 that will go. 3 here. 3 cannot go in 2, but we combine these two together. 3 in 24 will give us 8. 3 in 3 will give us 1. Now, 81 is still in multiplication 3. So 3 here. 3 in 8 will give us 2, which is 6. You carry 2. 2 in 21 will give us 7. 3 in 21 will give us 7. So 3 will still go here. 3 in 27 will give us 9. 3 in 9 will give us 3. And 3 in 3 will give us 1, which is the final one. But since we are working with root 2, we are going to combine the number 2, 2. So there's no number to combine this 2 with again. So we combine this one. This will give us 2. This is 3. When you combine, you take one of the number. So you combine this one to get 3. So now we are going to multiply this number together. It should give us 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 54. But since we did not have any number to group this one with, we return it. We return the square root and put it under the square root. So therefore, the square root of 5, 8, 3, 2 is the same thing as 54 root 2, which is our final answer. Thank you.